My name is David Rintell. I'm the head of patient advocacy for a biotech in California, USA called BridgeBio. BridgeBio is dedicated to develop treatments for people living with rare conditions. So the role in the rare disease ecosystem is as a company doing research and developing treatments for people with rare diseases. Actually, I think rare diseases chose me. I had been working as a psychologist in 2 hospitals, mostly working with people with multiple sclerosis, and I was looking for new opportunities, and I saw a job as doing patient advocacy for rare diseases, and it sounded interesting to me. And as it happens, my sister has Gaucher disease, so I knew about rare disease from her. That's a lysosomal storage disorder. And I also have a rare disease myself called Addison's disease, which is a form of adrenal insufficiency. So rare disease is a very exciting area for me, both from a personal point of view, but also there is a great need for treatment for the thousands of rare diseases that do not currently have treatment. So there are trends in the there are trends that affect industry now, both positively and negatively. I'll say the negative part first, is that there was a time when funding for rare disease research and for particularly in industry was very popular, and there was a lot more investment into rare diseases, perhaps 6 and 7 years ago. But for reasons that I don't really understand, that has shifted. And right now it's more difficult to get investors to be able to fund research in rare diseases at the industry level. It isn't impossible, but it takes a lot of work and creativity to do so. And fortunately, I have colleagues who are good at that, because I would not be good at that. Other changes, I think, is that science is advancing and there's new opportunities to find and develop treatments for people who are desperately in need of treatment. I'm so pleased to be here at the summit. I've known Harsha for many years. When I first left working as a psychologist, I worked at Sanofi Genzyme, and I knew him from there. He received an award from the patient advocacy team at Sanofi Genzyme. And I think for a number of years I would meet him at other meetings, and he would tell me about the work of Indo US Rare and our grants. He has, Indo US Rare has applied for some funding from the BridgeBio Grants Committee, and we have been funding into the meetings of Indo US Rare. Last year, our CEO, Neil Kumar, spoke at the meeting in Virginia, and I'm so happy that he was not able to come this year, and I have had the opportunity to come to New Delhi and participate in the meeting. I've been going to all of the meetings all of the sessions, because they are all interesting in one way or another, and I'm learning so much about rare disease in India, but also about research in rare diseases and novel approaches to rare disease treatment. So Indo US Rare, I think, is already doing much to support the mission of my company, BridgeBio, in trying to build partnerships between scientists and companies and academics and patients in the United States and other countries and India. I think also there is a great need for innovation in terms of being able to produce rare disease treatment that can reach people living in parts of the world that are not the US, Europe, Australia, and Japan. Because rare disease treatments, when they have been approved and been made available, are unfortunately not usually marketed in the rest of the world. India, all of Africa, much of Latin America, just all of the other places in the world except for the US, Europe, Australia, Japan, etc. So this is crucial work, and I'm so pleased and appreciative that Indo-US Rare is doing this work. So I wish you continue, and I pledge our support.
Any final thoughts or comments?
It's been a wonderful time to visit India. The people here have been extremely friendly, warm, and open, and I hope this is the first of many visits and the first of many summits of Indo-US Rare that I attend.